Good morning. It is 10 minutes after 4, June the 30th, 2019, here in Hermitage, Tennessee, 4:10 a.m. Are you tired of getting spam in your Hangouts? I'm going to show you a way you can prevent almost all of it. Let me do a little quick screen share here. All right, what you do is you go to your Hangouts, open your Hangout thing, click the options like this, and then you go down here to customize invite settings. Choose those, okay? Make sure you click customize here. Then people with your phone number, they can send you an invitation. You have choices here. You can contact you directly or send you an invitation. I mark it send me an invitation. The same thing with people that have your emails, can send you an invitation. Everybody else cannot send you an invitation. What this does is it sets it up so that only people that you know that you have shared your phone number or your email address with can send you an invitation to a Hangout. Nobody else will be able to. So if you get an invitation somehow from somebody you don't know that accidentally got your phone number or your email address, but you don't recognize the name that sent you an invitation, what you do is you ignore that invitation. You do not accept it. You ignore it. And at the same time, it will offer you a chance to block that person. So you'll never be bothered by them again. Now, this will cut down some on engagement because it means only people you already know will be able to contact you through an invitation. You can share that any way you want with people, but it's your responsibility. Nobody can actually just, if they get your name accidentally, you don't have to read the invitation. You don't even have to open the invitation to read it. You can just ignore it the minute you get it and take the option to block the person at the same time. You're done. No spam. Really very, very simple. I'm going to stop sharing now. Stop sharing. And I'm going to stop the recording and get this up. Thanks for watching.